This is my drawing of Draco Eddie from Brawl Stars Stranger Things, and today I'm going to guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. We'll begin today's lesson on the top of our page with that center piece of hair, so let's start right in the middle with a point. Now I want to round this out along the left side, go across the top and then back in towards the right. So start by going out, I'm going to round out the top, go all the way around the right side, and just pull that in toward that bottom point. Let's add some hair across the top. In the center, we move over towards the right, bend this up, then out, bend this across and then down, and just tuck that in towards the side. Now I'm going to move down and draw in the eyes, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start on the left side. I'm going to curve the eye going up and then out toward the top. Line this up on the right, going up and then out. Now I want to round out the bottom of the eye, starting back on the left, come down towards the bottom, just pull that back up towards the inside, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, coming down, around, and then up. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. On the left, we're going to draw a half oval, coming down, and then bend that back up. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now I want to line up at the bottom of the eyes, move to the center and add a curve for the nose. We're going to come down and then up. In the center, step down, add a point along the top center of the mouth. Now I'm going to curve the left side. We're going to go up, round this out. Now come across the bottom of the mouth, go up on the right, and then back down toward the center. Let's separate the teeth with two straight angled lines. Now let's go back to the side and add some more hair. We're going to start on the top left. Bend this down across the tip of the eye and then out. And round this out, going out and then up. Let's add a point, coming down along the side. And we'll bend this up and then back in. Let's add another section along the side, starting on the left side of the eye, come down and out. Bend this out, up, and then curve that in. Let's add one more section, starting on the left, bend this in and then down. Curve this around, and then tuck that up underneath. Now in between, we're going to add the chin. Starting on the left side, curve this down underneath the mouth, and then back up. Now we're going to go in between the eyes, right in the middle, add a point. We're going to add that trim coming down, and then out toward the side. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of that trim. So we're just going to go around the eyes. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw on the body. We'll start with the inside edge of the jacket, leaving a gap in the center. Start on the left, go straight down towards the bottom, go over towards the right. Just gonna line this up. Now let's curve the bottom of the jacket, going out and then up. Let's go up and in towards the top. And then we want to tear open the sleeve. So we're gonna go out and then in, add another point, going out and then in underneath the hair. Let's go up to the top, add the collar, going out and then down, then it's out and then up underneath the head. Now I add two rectangles. On the left side, going straight out, line it up on the right, straight down towards the bottom, and then we'll curve this down and then in. Let's go up to the top and add the pockets. Start with a curve coming down and up on both sides. Add a circle for the button right in the middle. And then in the center of the pocket, draw a straight line coming down. From the bottom of the vest, we're going to step up, add a curve for the shirt. Now let's simplify that logo in the center. Starting from the top, we're going to curve this up and then down. The bottom, curve this down and then up. Let's go in the middle, add another curve for the mouth. Trace the bottom on the inside, and I'll separate the teeth. Starting in the center, come down, up, and then down. Let's add some eyes, 2 straight angled lines, round up the bottom. Now I'm going to trace the eyes along the top, and we'll fill that area around the eyes in black. Let's go back to the center. Add a circle for the belt buckle. Move down, add a curve, going up and then down. Now leave a gap in the center. We're going to go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. From the heel, come down and then up towards the toe. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the foot, going up and then down, aiming towards the heel. And then just curl it back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Let's go to the top of the foot. We're going to add the shoe tongue. Starting from the outside, we go up and then down like a half oval. And then in the center, we're going to add a circle. Now inside the shoe along the top, we're going to add the laces. And curve this down and out, then this out and then up. And then we'll separate the inside of the lace area with 2 curves. Let's go back up to the top. From the corner of the vest, we're going to step in. We're going to bend the legs going out and then down on top of the shoe tongue. Let's go back to the belt buckle along the bottom. Bend the belt going out and then up towards the side. Let's add some tears across the side of the leg. From the left, bend this in and then down. Then go across and then out. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the arms. Let's start from the bottom of the vest. Bend the arm going out and then down. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle for the thumb and then close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to bend the finger coming around and then up around that bracket. Step down, add the second finger, coming down and up. And then the 3rd finger, we're just going to bend this up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start with that 1st finger, 2nd, and then the 3rd, blending into the arm, going up and then in. Now let's separate the cuff from the top of the thumb with a curve. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Draco Eddie from Brawl Stars Stranger Things. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.